Indefinite integration, class number 4, continuation. Integral x power of 6 minus 1 by x square plus 1 dx. Okay. Now integral x power of 6 plus 1 minus 2 by x square plus 1 dx. Okay. Now integral x power of 6 plus 1 by x square plus 1 dx minus 2 integral 1 by x square plus 1 dx. Integral x power of 6 plus x square whole cube plus 1 cube by x square plus 1 dx minus 2 integral 1 by x square plus 1 dx. Next, a cube plus b cube formula. We know that a plus b x square plus 1 into a square x square whole square x power of 4 minus ab minus x square plus b square 1 square by x square plus 1 dx minus 2 integral 1 by x square plus 1 dx. X square plus 1 dx. Integral x power of 4 x power of 5 by 5 minus x cube by 3 plus 1 dx x minus 2 tan inverse x plus c. Final answer. Okay. Next. Okay. Next continuation. Integral pi power of log x base c dx. Okay. We know that a power log b base c equal to b power log a base c. It can be written as x power of log 5 base c dx. X power of n dx formula x power of n plus 1 by n plus 1. X power of log 5 base c plus 1 by log 5 base c plus 1 plus c. Next problem. Integral 2 power of log x base 4 dx. Okay. That equal to integral 2 power of log x 2 square dx. 4 can be written as 2 square dx. 2 square dx. We know that log x b power of n formula 1 by n log x base b. Now it can be written as that equal to integral 2 power log 1 by n 1 by 2 log x base 2 dx. That is integral 2 power of x power 1 by 2. Log x power 1 by 2 what? Root x base 2 dx. Same a power of log x base c formula what? Root x. Integral root x dx. Root x integration what? Integral x power of 1 by 2 dx. X power of n formula x power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2 plus c. That equal to 2 by 3 x power 3 by 2 plus c. Okay. Next evaluate first one integral dx by sin x minus a cos x minus b. Okay. This type of integrals multiply numerator and denominator denominator by cos a minus b. Now numerator 1 by cos a minus b integral cos a minus b by sin x minus a cos x minus b dx. Cos x minus b dx. Now integral 1 by cos a minus b integral cos a minus b can be written as cos x minus b minus x minus a. X minus b minus x plus a minus b. It can be written. Value does not change. Sin x minus a cos x minus b dx. 1 by cos a minus b integral cos a minus b formula. Cos a cos b cos x minus a plus sin a sin b sin x minus b sin x minus a sin x minus a upon sin x minus a cos x minus b dx. 1 by cos a minus b integral cos x minus b cancel. Cos by sin cot x minus a dx plus here sin x minus a cancel. Sin by cos what? Tan x minus b dx. Next, what next? 1 by cos a minus b integral cot x minus a dx log mod sin x minus a tan x minus b minus log mod cos x minus b plus c. Final answer 1 by cos a minus b log a minus log b formula what? Log a by b sin x minus a by cos x minus b log mod plus okay. Next, second problem. Integral dx by cos x minus a cos x minus b cos x minus b. This evaluate this type of integral. Multiply numerator and denominator by sin a minus b. Sin a minus 1 by sin a minus b integral sin a minus b by cos x minus a cos x minus b dx. Next, 1 by sin a minus b integral sin a minus b can be x minus b minus x minus a. Same minus x plus x cancel a minus b cos x minus a cos x minus b dx. 1 by sin a minus b integral sin a minus b formula sin a cos b minus cos a sin b upon cos x minus a cos x minus b dx. Now 1 by sin a minus b integral sin x cos x minus a cos x sin by cos tan x minus b dx plus minus sin x cos x minus b cos x minus b cancel sin by cos tan x minus a integral dx 1 by sin a minus b tan x minus b what minus log mod cos x minus b minus log mod minus of minus plus log mod cos x minus a plus c log a minus log b formula 1 by sin a minus b log cos x minus a by cos x minus b plus c.